So I broke my headphones several weeks ago and today I fixed it. Back in early May, I broke my Shure SRH940 headphones, which I have been using for more than 4 years. I was surprised that the material was not that durable. I use the headphones mainly for monitoring the sound of my videos. I also bring them along when travel. These are closed-back headphones, so they work pretty well to block the noise on a plane. I don't use those noise-canceling headphones. Anyway, it seems no way to get the replacement headbands directly from Shure, and I don't really want to send them in for repair because I still need to use them. This is my temporary fix, including a Lego piece. Then I searched online and found a company, well actually a local company here, that sells the headband only. The part number is SRH940. It's not in stock until recently. I ordered it last week and thought it should be a quick fix. However, when I took the headphones apart, I realized that it's a little bit complicated. It actually needs soldering, which I have no experience with. So I did some research on soldering and borrowed an iron from my friend Max. Moved everything from my studio to the garage just to give it a try. I didn't want to do this in my studio. The first cable came off right away. I thought, it's not too hard. But the second one, for some reason, just didn't want to cooperate. I kept cleaning the tip of the iron. After several tries, I finally removed the cable. Then I soldered the new cable to the board. Now the right ear cup was reconnected. The left ear cup is a little bit different because it's where the signal comes in. I still need to remove the old cables and solder the new ones to the board. I had to pay attention to how the cables were routed so that I can put everything back. And also be careful not to break what's already connected. Now the headphones are back in good shape and work properly. I'm pretty happy that I did it. I hope I don't need to do this again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.